Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you an elegant cake maker layout pack I think you're going to love. This cake maker layout pack has strikingly beautiful layouts for presenting custom cakes and cake making services to the online world. Cake making companies will appreciate the simplicity of the design, the bold use of images, and the soft colors. Plus, there are engaging calls to action that make it easy to promote special offers, request orders, and book tastings. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new cake maker layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options and click the Updates tab and make sure you enter your username and API key and then save changes. Once done, you should have access to all of our pre-made Divi layout packs from within the Divi Builder without any issues. Now we're ready to start adding our pre-made layouts to our new pages. To do that, go ahead and go to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the Cake Maker Layout Pack and click on it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack here on the right. Once you find the one that you want, go ahead and click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages and then add your corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Once done, you are ready to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. To create a new menu, go ahead and give the menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created with their corresponding pre-made layouts. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like, and then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu. And then you can save your menu. Now that your primary menu has been created, the last step is to go ahead and make sure you have a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the homepage, select the home page that you created with the corresponding homepage layout. And then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Cake Maker Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Cake Maker Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.